Toyota robot, semi-automatic. Situation like this. I'm doing calibration, full calibration. Turning on ignition. Calibration start. Gears engaging. Op, it was reverse light. Gears engaging. But neutral not appear. So what we have? We have ECU working, clutch actuator working, gears actuator working. We have first, second, third, fourth, and reverse. We saw that also working, but we have no neutral. How to repair this situation on those models? Also Corolla Versa, and also next, and even with the 6-speed transmission. Now I will show you how. Come on. So need to do calibration again. It will looks like this. I'm doing the calibration. I'm turning off the ignition. Then disconnect the battery. Turning ignition on with battery disconnected. And then go there to do something. So what I have, the computer received command to full calibration, ignition is on, the battery is disconnected. Now I will little turn this sensor and will connect the battery. The car will start doing calibration, and then I will go and check if I have the neutral. So I don't have a neutral. Don't have. Okay. Don't turn off ignition. What I'm doing? I'm disconnect the battery. Then this sensor, I'm turn it anti-clockwise for 3 to 3 millimeters. Hold by my hands. Connect the battery, and it will start do it calibration again.
Знаешь, он не сильно перемешивается. Я вот то, что подлил, сверху.
Ага. Опа! Ай! Yes! Look at this! Yes! Yes! So, it worked. I found it. What I did? First time, I turned the sensor about here, not worked. I turned it more, and it did calibration. You saw? No, now yes, it fly away. It fly away, and it showing the fifth gear, but it did calibration. Now I will bending the butterfly. Like I need to change position of the sensor. Now I will show where it was when it did calibration. So what happens? Sensor, this is his original position, not working. I turn it little this side, not working. I turned it more this side, and it working. It means that this position that I need, that the sensor must be. But how to do it? Originally it here. I need to bend the butterfly. I need to bend the butterfly, install the sensor with the bolts, with the screws, and do calibration again. And neutral must disappear and appear again. It means that I found his position. So look how it looks. You see how it looks? So like I turned the sensor this side. So the butterfly, I need to bend another contour side. Now I will install the sensor, put the screws, and do calibration again. Whew! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Yoo-hoo! So it's done. You see? Maybe 10, maybe 15 attempts. The butterfly was like this, now it's like this. I have no idea why it happens, really. Why? I don't know. But we have problem with those model like this and only this solution. But it's working. Solution working. And also for 6-speed transmission, the same.